for you guys, and I am so excited because I am currently switching to clean beauty everything, clean products throughout my home. And so I'm really excited to show you guys what I bought. I kind of wanted to focus more on the basic makeup looks, something that I'm going to be wearing every single day. So let's go ahead and get started. So the very first thing that I wanted to invest in was a really good foundation. So I started researching and I came across RMS Beauty, and I love everything they stand for. I love that they have very few ingredients in their makeup products, and I like that they're coconut oil based. So I went for the Uncover Up foundation, and I believe people use it for concealer, but you can also use it for a foundation, and this is what it looks like. Let's see if my camera will focus on it. Super tiny little packaging in glass. I really like that it's in glass. And then this is kind of the color. It's like a creamy texture. And their packaging is so cute and simple. I ordered a few things from them, and I like that it came into like a really small box and everything was made out of paper. So they are really thoughtful when they send their products. So I'm going to give you guys a few swatches of what it looks like. I actually got to try a sample of this when I was in South Carolina at this store, Ilia Pure Trusted Beauty, and it's the cutest boutique. So if you guys are ever over there, check it out. They have a ton of non-toxic beauty, skincare, makeup, and they gave me some samples. So my color match is the 22.5, and I have a sample of 22 and 33. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what that looks like. So that one is 22, and then the color that I currently have that I will be using is 22.5. So it's just a little darker. And then this is the 33. I really enjoy that it's a creamy texture, and that you can build it up. It's good to cover redness, but it's not a full cover foundation. Usually people will use it to conceal their under eye, but again, it's not super heavy, so it's made to be like your second skin, just to show that inner glow. A lot of people will mix a face oil with the product to make it more of a foundation instead of that thick creamy texture, and the founder of RMS recommends that you use a face oil before you even applying this on your face. So you want to make sure your skin is extremely moisturized before you put this on, just so that it goes on more smoothly and kind of sinks into the skin. But so far I'm really enjoying it. The next RMS Beauty product that I decided to get was a highlight. So I decided to go ahead and get their eye polish color and the color Lunar as a highlight. I was conflicted because I wanted to get their original highlight, but I saw another beauty blogger talking about how the consistency was thicker, and she recommended to use the eye polish because it was kind of a more thinner product and looked more natural on the skin. So that's kind of what I like to go for when I look for a highlight anyways. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch this for you guys. And again, this is in the color Lunar. Very pretty, I love it. Super subtle, but gives you that glow kind of within, just like that healthy skin look. And the last thing that I got from RMS was this powder. I believe it's their finishing powder. They call it the Tinted Unpowder. And I noticed when I use the Uncover Up foundation, I do tend to get oily, just like in my T-zone area. so I get kind of pretty shiny. Sometimes I like it, sometimes I want to look a little more matte, so that's why I just decided to go ahead and get this one. And it is tinted, so this one is tinted and the number is between 2 and 3. And it's really fine. Like, the texture is so fine. So far I think I'm gonna really like it just because of how soft it is. I'm not sure if I can really get you guys a swatch. I'll try my best. Okay, so that's the color untinted in 2 and 3. Super fine, and it's just to go in the T-zone area. It comes with this puff, super cute. And I've watched some tutorials where the founder will just put this and press the powder in the skin, just in the T-zone areas where you get oily. And it looks beautiful. I don't know if I'm really going to be using this. I prefer like a brush, just kind of like a fat, loose brush, just to slightly go over the T-zone. But yeah, so when I purchased all those items, they sent me a sample, and they kind of give you a choice between a few things. I think like the highlight, I want to say a blush, and I decided to go with their bronzer because I didn't know if I wanted to try their bronzer or not. And it's beautiful, but I don't know if like cream products kind of intimidate me in a way. So I thought I would swatch this for you guys. So this is in the color Baruti Bronzer, and I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, but it's absolutely beautiful. It does have kind of like a shimmer to it, but not like glittery at all. And I think it's so pretty. Like, I might want to get this just to put on my eyes. So that's it for the RMS products that I just got and I'm super excited about. The next thing that I got was from Lilly Lolo, and it comes in this cute little compact travel. I think it's really easy to travel in, and it comes with a contour and a highlight and a little mirror. I was looking for a really good contour color that was matte, didn't have any shimmers in it, and I usually use the NYX contour palette, and I like when it has like kind of a gray undertone. This one has more of like a reddish undertone, I would say, and I ended up really liking it. It's really soft, really blendable. I have it on right now. But I'm gonna go ahead and swatch this one for you guys. So the next thing that I bought that is super important to me is mascara, and I actually found two that I really love. And this mascara is from Lilly Lolo, and it's super like natural. It defines the lashes, it gives it a little bit of volume. But yeah, so this one's a really good one for kind of like a starter kit if you are transitioning into clean beauty. It's really hard to find a good mascara, and I really like this one. But right now I would say I prefer the Honest Beauty one just because it defines my lashes a little better, and I feel like I get a little more length from it. And it's pretty affordable. I can't remember the exact price. I want to say it's $15 for this one, and then this one was $20 if I remember correctly. But both of these are amazing, and they're definitely going to stay in my everyday clean beauty kit. And the last thing that I went for was a good setting spray, and I came across this one from a beauty blogger, and I will link her video below because she has a lot of really good tutorials and input on clean beauty products if you are just now switching like me. But she recommended this RoseWater spray, and it's really nice. I got it from Target. It retails for $12 or $13. and I got it for $6 because on the online they had it priced at $6, so they price matched it. I like that it only has one ingredient. It just says organic rose water, and I just needed something very like simple and hydrating after I used that setting powder on my face, because I really just like for my skin to look like skin at the end of the day when I'm using makeup. So I hope that this video helped you in any way. I will link everything in the description box below of where you can get them, and if you like to see more videos like this, like and subscribe. I do new videos every single Sunday, so be sure to subscribe to see more, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.